Hello, my name is Dr. Lorraine O'Reilly-Woods. This is the walking history tour of Carrickmacross. Come on in. The tours have really grown from strength to strength over the years. We have a fantastic team of 4 tour guides altogether. The enthusiasm and the interest and the expertise of the tour guides themselves. They each bring their own area of expertise and their own areas of interest to the tour, making each tour unique. They really encourage people who take the tour to get involved and to have any knowledge that they'd like to impart themselves. And oftentimes the banter that takes place between tour stops can be just as interesting as the tour itself. The tours are free of charge. They last for 90 minutes. They run from the June Bank Holiday weekend right through to the very last Saturday in September. You don't need to book. They start at 11 a.m. from the courthouse, Shirley Arms area of the town. If you're in that area on a Saturday morning, you're sure to be able to join in. We stop at the various different buildings of historical significance. We talk about their history and some of the fascinating things that might have happened there over the years. And we also have some stops where we actually go inside the building. So for example, St. Joseph's Church is a really important stop on the tour where we get to see the Harry Clarke windows. And lots of people are extremely interested. We have a lot of Harry Clarke enthusiasts who come to Carrickmacross to see those windows, and people who visit the region to do some family tree history, some ancestry, and who want to visit the genealogy department in the workhouse. One of the best examples of a restored workhouse across this country. And although the history surrounding the workhouse, it is fascinating to actually see. That's another very important and sort of popular stop along the tour as well.